At Aspire Dental Implant Center, very important for us to provide a very positive experience for the patients. When they come to our office, we listen to their concerns. We want to hear their story.
Well, at Aspire Dental Implant Center, the whole team is under one roof. Prosthodontist, the surgeon, the lab, all the staff. When everything is done together, nothing's missed. The process is very streamlined, it's very coordinated, and I think ultimately that provides the best outcome.
One of the things that I liked the most about Dr. Drone is I felt he was very honest with me. He didn't lead me to believe anything but what I needed for my health, for my outward appearance, and what he thought maybe I really wanted but was afraid to do.
I'm very pleased with the technology, the staff, and the overall care that I receive from Dr. Drone and Dr. Serber. It's wonderful that they're under one roof, and I know that I'm going to be well taken care of when I come to their building.
They seemed like they were looking to help me and find out what I wanted to do. As I got to know everybody, it turned out to be a really good experience. Really happy with how it's turned out.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Drone, Dr. Stevenson, Dr. Serber. They're just a great team. They just make the experience very, very good.
I am forever grateful to Aspire Dental Center. They have made a change in my life that I couldn't have never imagined. My smile, my confidence, I am forever grateful.
And it's important for patients to understand you're not only a patient of the practice, but we want you to be a longtime friend of us. You know, it's important for us to understand that we're here for you every single day, and at any moment you need us, you can contact us, reach out to us, and we'll take care of everything for you.
So at Aspire Dental Implant Center, we really want people to feel like we're their doctors. I'm their doctor just as Dr. Drone is their doctor from start to finish and for the rest of their life through maintenance. If they have an issue, whatever it is, I'm still here for them. That's one of the best things about how we work here at Aspire is that these are our patients for life, and we want them to understand that.
I thank Dr. Serber for his professionalism, for doing exactly what he said he was going to do and doing it quickly. And the smile that you're looking at today was provided by Dr. Drone, and for that I will be eternally grateful. He has changed my life, literally changed my life.